Hi, welcome to Nur Nasuha's classroom. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to focus on subtopic 4.2, which is Stoichiometry. So before that, I nak bagi analogi lah. Kenapa perlu belajar Stoichiometry? Let's say lah kan, kita nak hasilkan basikal. So untuk menghasilkan basikal, sorry ya, lukisan macam budak-budak sikit. So I perlu ada dua handle, I perlu ada dua tayar. Let's say lah macam tu. So nak hasilkan basikal, I perlu ada dua handle dengan dua tayar. So maksudnya I perlu ada tayar, pada masa yang sama I perlu ada handle. Okay, let's say lah I ada dua tayar tapi I ada satu handle. Boleh tak? Boleh tak you hasilkan basikal? Tak boleh kan? Maksudnya kat sini you perlu ada dua handle, barulah you boleh hasilkan satu basikal. So, dua tayar, dua handle, satu basikal ni adalah stoichiometry, atau bahasa mudahnya adalah ratio of reactance to the product. Okay, now let us focus on stoichiometry. So stoichiometry adalah relationship between reactant and product in a balanced chemical equation. Dalam bahasa mudahnya, hubungan antara reactant dengan produk. Okay, so pentingnya stoichiometry ni supaya untuk kita predict the amounts of reactants ataupun products yang akan terlibat dalam reaction. So for example, in order to produce 2 mole of KBr, potassium bromide, you need 2 mole of potassium and 1 mole of bromine gas. If not, you tidak akan dapat the product that you want. Now, let's go to example number 1. So, the question asks, how many moles of HCl do we need to react with 0.5 mole of zinc? So, I repeat the question. How many mole of HCl that you need in order to react with 0.5 mole of zinc? Okay, keluarkan information yang dia bagi. So, now, first thing you need to do is check your equation, balance or not. So, in this case, okay, by using inspection method, zinc, okay, balance, Cl, there are 2 Cl, so 2 Cl, settle, 2H and 2H. So, the equation is balanced. Now, after that, next step is, according to theory ni, according to theory, 1 mole of zinc, okay, 1 mole of zinc, dia akan bertindak balas. Okay, kita wakilkan dengan simbol this one, 3 dash. Okay, 1 mole of zinc bertindak balas dengan 2 mole HCl. So, this is the theory. So, kenapa kita panggil dia teori? Because this one, 2 dengan 1 ni adalah berdasarkan based on this balance equation, 1 mole dengan 2 mole of HCl. However, yang sebenar, yang actual yang you ada bukan 1 mole zinc, tapi yang you ada, yang soalan bagi adalah 0.5 mole 0.5 mole zinc. So berapa mole HCl awak? Okay, so kita letak sebagai X. So kita akan darab silang. Okay, ini yang awak nak cari. So, X darab 1 bersamaan dengan X. Manakala 0.5 darab 0.5 darab dengan 2, so dapat 1. So, X adalah 1 mol HCl. Let's have a look at example number 2. So, the question asks you, how many moles of H2O? Mana H2O? Here. So, how many mole of H2O would be formed when 0.25 mole of ethanol burns in oxygen? So, sekarang soalan fokus dekat etanol dengan air. So, soalan langsung tak ada sebut tentang oksigen dengan carbon dioxide. Therefore, kita boleh ignore these two molecule. So, we are going to focus on ethanol and water. So, according to the theory, okay, the question given to you in the question is already balanced. So, tak perlu nak balance lah. So, according to the theory, based on the balanced chemical equation, so 1 mole of ethanol, C2H5OH, okay, 1 mole of ethanol will produce 3 mole H2O. Okay, so daripada equation 1 mole ethanol menghasilkan 3 mole H2O. However, yang you ada, mole ethanol yang you ada, okay, bukan 1 mole, tapi hanyalah 0.25 mole ethanol, C2H5OH. So, berapa mol H2O yang awak ada? So, kita letak unknown X. Itu yang awak nak cari. So, in order to find X, so X, kita darab silang X, darab dulu dengan 1. So, dapat X lah. Sama dengan, okay, 0.25 darab dengan 3. Darab silang lah. So, show your step 0.25 darab 3. So, you should get 0.75 mol. Mol siapa punya? Mol H2O lah. Mol untuk H2O. So, logik lah. 1 mol produce 3 mol. Tapi yang awak ada tak sampai pun 1 mol. Which is 0.25 mol. So, yang awak ada, okay, hanyalah 0.75 mol of H2O. Okay, baiklah. Let's have a look at the last example, example 3. So, there are two question over here. So, kita jawab yang pertama dulu. How many grams? So, how many grams means that the question asking you for mass. So, what is the mass for aluminium hydroxide that will react with 5.3 mole of HCl? So, the question is very straightforward. Dia tanya awak berapa banyak mass of aluminium hydroxide yang diperlukan untuk bertindak balas dengan 5.3 mole of HCl. So, as usual, since the equation is already balanced to you, so take out the equation, so tulis theory. So, according to theory, 3 mole HCl, okay, 3 mole HCl react with 1 mole aluminium hydroxide. Okay, itu teori lah. Tetapi yang actual yang you ada berapa banyak? Yang you ada hanyalah 5.3 mole of HCl. So, how many mole of aluminium hydroxide? So, kita kena as usual darab silang. So, 3 times X would be 3X. Sama dengan 5.3 times 1. So, 5.3. So, you do the maths over here. X, you should get 1.7667 mole of aluminium hydroxide. Okay, but wait. Tak habis lagi. Soalan tanya, how many grams? Therefore, we need to convert mole into mass. So, macam mana? Macam biasalah, mole sama dengan, kita tahu mole sama dengan mass over apa? Molar mass. Betul tak? So, in order to find mass, so senang sajalah. 1.7667 times molar mass for aluminium hydroxide is 78. So you should get 137.80 gram. Okay, so this is the mass of aluminium hydroxide when react with 5.3 moles of HCl. Okay, so now let's continue for B. Still the same equation. Okay, let me use the different pen. Okay, still the same equation but different question. So soalan tanya, what is the quantity of HCl in grams? Maksudnya dia nak berapa banyak mass of HCl that can be consumed by 0.750 gram. Okay, bahasa mudahnya berapa mass untuk HCl? Okay, if you ada 0.750 gram of aluminium hydroxide. So, still the same concept. Cuma kali ni kena ada extra step sikit sebab let me do it over here. Sebab you diberi dalam bentuk mass. So kalau you diberi mass, tolong okay, tolonglah tukar dia jadi yang ni tukar dia dulu jadi mole. No matter what, tukar dia jadi mole. Okay, so now let's do this one. So mole of aluminium hydroxide sama dengan macam biasalah mass over molar mass. So mass dia bagi 0.75. Molar mass of aluminium hydroxide should be 78. You do on your own. So by using calculator, you should get 9.6154 exponent negative 3 mole. So this is mole that you should get. Okay, so now by using stoichiometry, so according to the theory, according to the equation, 3 mole HCl, okay, 3 mole HCl, dia akan bertindak balas dengan 1 mole aluminium hydroxide. aluminium hydroxide. Okey, tetapi mol yang awak ada hanyalah 9.6154 eksponen negatif 3. Sorry, my pen doesn't working. Mol of aluminium hydroxide. Ini je yang awak ada. So, awak kena cari berapa banyak mol of HCl. So, letaklah X macam biasalah. X ni dia boleh berada dekat kanan, dia boleh berada dekat kiri. Bergantung pada position lah. Awak letak kat kiri ke kanan. Okay, now let's focus on finding X. So, X times by 1, you should get X. Okay, 3 times 9.54 exponent negative 3, you should get 0.0288 mol. Okay, so this is your mol for HCl. Okay, now tak habis lagi. The question wants you to find out quantity of HCl in gram. Kita dah dapat mol of HCl. So sekarang mass of HCl sama dengan mol times molar mass lah. 0.0288 times with 35.5 times 1. So this is molar mass for HCl. So now you should get roughly 1.0512 gram. So this is the mass of HCl that can be consumed by 0.750 gram of aluminium hydroxide.